Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai banana in the coconut milk or กล้วยบวชชี Very simple and easy Thai dessert is Thai banana in the coconut milk. But the very important, you have to pick banana. It's not too live. If not, when you cook, it will be too soft, too mushy for you. So okay, let me remove them. Or you can use the normal banana you can find in the grocery store. It don't have to be Thai banana, but I'm choosing Thai banana today because I want an authentic. So I'm choosing Thai banana today. If you cannot find, you just use the regular banana you can find from the store. First, I cut the banana to be 4 pieces and put into the water so your banana not getting turned back. The color not turn to black color. Okay, I show you one more time. Remove top and bottom and cut through the middle. You can cut different shape if you want to, but this is very simple and this is how we cut in Thailand. So okay, and now we're done cutting our banana, and I know that you guys already see I cut with the peel on. I leave the peel on, and now I gonna remove our banana to the pot. I already turned the heat on. I turn on the high heat. The reason that I cook with the peel because I don't want the banana to be too soft. If you remove all the peel when you cook for 10 minutes or until the banana cook, it will be too soft and too mushy. That's why better to leave the peel on. Okay, and now after I cook our banana for 12 minutes, I gonna turn off the heat, and now I gonna remove our banana to put inside the ice cold water to stop the cooking process. Remove them all. This is very simple and easy Thai dessert. Only have 5 ingredients. And now my banana already cooled down, so I'm gonna remove the peel. See, it's easy. When you cut it first, it's very easy to remove. And now I got our banana peel. Okay, now we go to the next step. I'm gonna add the 2 cups the coconut milk, and for banana I use 8 small banana. So, and then 2 cups of the coconut milk, and I will turn on the heat very low. 2 cups of the coconut milk go in, and I turn on the heat very low. And now I'm gonna add the pandan leaf. I use 2 small pandan leaf. If you have the big pandan leaf, you only can use 1. And I'm gonna add a half teaspoon salt. Thai dessert only add a little bit of salty and sweetness and a saltiness together. And the half cup of the white sugar. This recipe we not use the palm sugar or coconut sugar. We use white sugar because they call กล้วยบวชชี It means that everything in Thai word everything have to be white, so that's why we use the white sugar. Okay, and now I'm gonna add our banana. Have to be careful. Okay, pour slowly. Okay, and very important, the heat have to be really low because we not want the coconut milk to be separate. So cook very low heat. Okay, and just allow them to cook until they getting little boil, and we come back and check. After we leave our banana to simmer about 15 minutes, and now come back and check. This is look how good the banana and the coconut milk with pandan leaf cooking all together. So now we can try. If you need more salty or sweet, this is up to you. This is personal taste. You can add more sugar or add more salt. It's up to you. Really hot. Sweet and salty. It's already perfect for me, but for you it's up to you. You can add more salt or sugar. And now we ready to serve this. And now we ready to serve our banana in the coconut milk. This can be enough for 4 serving. 2 banana for 1 serving. Perfect. Because sweet and all the rich from the coconut milk. You don't want to eat too much, but you don't want to eat too little too. And for the pandan leaf, we just put for the flavor, for the give you very good smell. Same, you put vanilla in your dessert. You don't have to eat. If you don't have to put them, but you might lose some very good smell from the pandan leaf. And now we need to try this because the banana in the coconut milk we serve warm. Wow. I will be too hot. I will be still hot, but let me try. I still see the smoke come out from this banana piece. It's still hot, but warm. Not too hot. Let me try one more piece then. The banana is chewy. If you like the soft, it's cooked longer, but you not want to separate the coconut milk. Banana still chewy and delicious from the coconut milk and sweetness and salt in it. Very simple recipe. You can make this recipe for under 30 minutes. And if you want the full recipe, just go to the spoonforkheart.com and I will have all the full recipe for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.